third question from Digital SAT Test 3, Module 2B. This is the hardest set of reading and writing questions. It's asking for the main purpose. Tom's considering staging a play at home with his friends and his family. He just wants to amuse themselves. He just wants them to amuse themselves. He doesn't want any audience, doesn't want any publicity, no other people watching. He's going to choose a play that's unexceptional, which means ordinary. And then he talks about what he thinks would be harmful or dangerous. And the implication there, what he's implying is that he's going to stay away from what's harmful or dangerous. The correct answer here is A. To offer Tom's assurance that the play will be inoffensive, that's no great harm or danger, and involve only a small number of people, that's no audience, no publicity, little amusement among ourselves. See the following video, check us out on YouTube, go to IB Masters Learning Center to find the playlist, and then you're going to find these longer videos just above these shorter videos. This is Test 3, Module 2B, number 6. Have a great day. And also, check out this other video on main purpose. Have a great day.